In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Smart Radiology to create a report fast and easy. What you see here is the findings section of our prostate MRI template. If you are unsure how to get here, watch tutorial number 2. From the top level Elements tab, you can select the section you want to start with. To give you a full overview, we will start with describing the procedure. Purpose of this section is to provide technical background information on the examination. Via the navigation elements on the left-hand side, you can describe image accessibility and quality. Next, we move on to the top-level element clinical information. As the name suggests, this section enables you to share additional clinical information with the referring physician. In the case of our prostate MRI template, for instance, you can describe biopsy results on elevated PSA levels. In case the patient has had any relevant prior examinations, please refer to the Comparison tab to share further details. Now we come to the core of the template and your report, the Findings and Impressions section. To create a normal findings report, just check the corresponding navigation element. This may always be a good start to creating a report because now you only have to adjust elements with a finding. To do so, work your way through the decision tree. If there are elements for which you do not want to add any information, just select Not Specified. Many reports come with graphical elements. You can click into these graphical elements to describe, for instance, the location of a lesion following the PIRETS 2 criteria. The corresponding report text is automatically created. Many of the elements that make up the decision tree come with clinical background information and reference images. Just click on the icon next to those elements to access this information. In case there are findings, pathologies that are not covered by the standard template, you can easily add the relevant module. In case of a prostate examination, you may, for example, need to add the module for an obstructive uropathy. Likewise, you have the option to examine suitable modules using the button More Modules located under the decision tree. The functionality of a module is, in principle, the same as with the rest of the template, the only difference being its focus on a very specific question or pathology. Previously inserted modules can always be taken out by clicking here. Once you have completed describing your findings, proceed to the impression section. Depending on the template, you have two options. Either you take the wording that has already been created, or you specify your impression for each of the navigation elements.